Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. Today, I'm here with a new question. So let's get started. The question I have today. Okay, the question is, hello, Ali sir. I'm running a Google Ads campaign for air duct cleaning company, and I have been running that campaign for last 3 months, and not a single lead has been generated. I don't know where am I lacking. I have changed the keywords, I have done search term audits, changed ad copies, I have fully optimized my landing pages. Also, please share your strategies and please let me know where should I need to work in the campaign so that I can improve my campaign and generate leads. Okay, so the first question is, from my side is how much so far has been spent in this. I don't know the figure of how much so far is being spent. Okay, it could be you have spent a lot. I have okay, so but because it's a 3 months and ideally I assume that you are spending $2,000 per month average, and into three is equal to $6 month thousand you have spent. Okay, I'm assuming it. Okay, because you have not get even a single sale with the 6,000, and even if I do a $2 click, okay, that is that is good high. Okay, and it's a 3,000 clicks and zero sales. That is actually disappointing. Okay, the first thing what I'm gonna do is, I see that you have optimized the landing pages. I'm gonna first of all do a demo lead. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to test trial and do the lead on my own to see if the funnel is working, everything is fine with the funnel. Sometimes it's a problem with the funnel, so I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure to do it. Second thing is I'm gonna try different variations because you didn't got a single lead and you are running for air duct cleaning company. So what I could do is I could focus on hmm, I could focus on call campaign that could generate me good sales. I could also I could do retargeting. Okay. And another thing which I'm going to emphasize over here is to installing of heat map. Now, what does the heat map do is actually evaluates your user behavior on your website. I believe that there is something very wrong with your landing page. Also, you have said that you have fully optimized your landing page, but you didn't discuss about your offer. Okay. Of your offer versus competitor offer is also very important aspect. Your offer versus your competitor offer. Okay, whose offer is better? That is something you have to decide on. If your offer is better or the competitor offer is better. If both are equal or if your offer is better, definitely it's a good to sign up. But in case if you are offering very high charges, and then if you expect the people to leave competitors and sign up for you regardless of how much market you do, it's going to be very less chances that people are going to offer you. I also suggest interlinking with social media pages plus your Google business profile. Okay, what happens is when you link with your GBP profile, it increases authority and trust, and that is the main important aspect that you have to win the authority over here. I would also add reviews and case studies of my existing clients, okay, to win the trust of my users. I would say over here that that is very important. Okay, another thing is sometimes what people do is it's running a campaign for a air duct cleaning company and you are selecting the wrong target location. What happens is that is a very common error, guys. Do not take it as a joke, but what people do is they select the wrong target location, or they do not know the right way to target the exact people, and which is why the people outside of your target region are seeing your ad, and they would why would they sign up? Because if they do not need it. If first of all we need to find the people who have the right intent, who are looking for air duct cleaning company. First thing is this. Second thing is we are showing ads to them, and if after showing three ads to them and 3,000 people clicking and visiting your website and no one signing up, that is a very scary thing, and that means something is wrong. So that requires a full account audit. But these are my assumptions, that we have to install the heat map, we have to look on our offer details. I may see to look your the target location. Okay, I also need to do a my demo lead. That is also very important to see if there is any problem with the funnel. So these are few of the things which I suggest you. And because you have said that you have generated ad copies, you have done the search term audit, Okay, also because it's a service, so you need to see if your peak hours or something like that. Also, the timings also matters. But I believe that the timing has a very little role over here, because if it's a single lead, then I could tell you about optimizing it. But right now over here, the issue is there are no leads, and that is very discouraging and disappointing. So my first go again is going to look with a demo lead to see everything is working fine. Also create options like call campaign, retargeting, install the heat map and analytics, because I need to observe my user behavior on my website, what exactly he's doing, and if the expectations with which he clicked on my ad are I'm fulfilling that expectation or not. Third is your offer, my offer versus my competitor offer, whose offer is better. If I'm going to give a strong reason to my audience to sign up with me as compared to my competitor, that is also very important. And then interlinking with social media pages and Google business profile, add reviews and case studies of my existing client, add any certificates or any way to increase authority. Okay, this also helps. And and also this is something, I may be different, but I would suggest you install the email newsletter with people having an option of sign up to get 10 or 20% discount, something like that, to increase retention and increase branding as well. So yeah, these are few of the things. But in case if you're looking for a detailed account audit or a Google Ads setup, me and my team can definitely help you. All you have to do is to hire me and my team through the link in the description. We're going to make sure to get an awesome Google Ads campaign or Google Ads audit. And I hope this answers your question as well. But still, in case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and I will be happy to answer. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.